If you're looking for a good earpods, right here. Charging case, really powerful. Got a good bass, a good sound system. I'm gonna tell you this right now. What I love is the wireless. It's LED power. It's a portable charging case. It standby time is 60 hours, and music, which is the music play time, is 6 hours, lasting long in a single charge. It charges really fast. Listen, this is easy to connect. What I love about it, it fits right into your ears all the way there, and it's literally blocking out all the outside sound, so you get to hear and enjoy a better quality of music. So far it hasn't fall off, so that thank God. I did running. Oh, it just fell off. I did running. I work out, at least 5-6 days a week, and I love this. I really love it, and I enjoy it. Listen, for the price, you cannot go wrong, because I have expensive headphones, earbuds, and all that stuff, and it's not a big of a difference. What I mean, it's just the brand. The price is amazing. This is a really good idea for working out, jogging, running, fit group CrossFit, or give somebody as a gift. Teenager, adults, anybody, this is really good. I love the color of it. It's beautiful. It's lightweight, easy to travel. It's really good for portable for travel. You can put this in your pocket. Comes with a charger. You just charge it up really fast. And I love it. I love it here. It tells you the left. It tells you right here, left and right, for both earpods, whichever one is need to get recharged or not, but it's charging right in the case. Just remember, after you finish, leave it in the case and it will charge. Check in the description box for price and details. Thumbs up on Product Zone. Get your hand on this amazing, good quality, decent quality. Trust me, it's decent quality. I love it.